Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can overlay a video on top of a video in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get this video of a person on the beach and I'm going to overlay this dolphin video on top. So add it on top, and then if you want to blend it, you're going to go to blend mode and select the blend mode that you think suits the video the best, like this. It's totally up to you. You can even adjust like the opacity here if you'd like to. But yeah, that is how you can overlay a video on top of a video for free. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well, because it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.